Hello class, in this video we are going to discuss a certain order of operation called PEMDAS. Now PEMDAS is an abbreviated word which means P for parenthesis, X for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So these are the symbols for these operations. Now, where do we operate PEMDAS, or where is PEMDAS currently used? PEMDAS is used in the United States of America, and this is also an order of operation. Now, considering countries like Australia, Ghana, Pakistan, and some other countries, they also use a certain order of operation called the BODMAS.
Welcome to Math with Father. Welcome to Math with Father. Subscribe, like and share.
A country like Canada also uses a certain order of operation called the BEDMAS. So all these are order of operations, and the order must be followed in order to get an accurate answer when you are given an expression which involves more than two operations. Now, considering our first question, we are to solve the following expression, and what we have over here is 61 minus 5 raised to the power 2 multiplying to minus with a bracket 7 plus 3. So we have 3 or 4 operations to work on. Now the first thing to operate is to first start with the parenthesis, which is the bracket sign over here. Solution. Now we have 61 minus 5 squared by 2 minus 7 plus 3, that's 10. The next operation to consider is the exponent. So we have an exponential here. 61 minus 5 raised to the power 2 giving us 25 by 2 minus 10. The next operational sign to consider is the multiplication sign. So we have a multiplication sign here. 61 minus 25 by 2, which gives us 50 minus 10. Now we have 61 minus 50 minus 10. So the operational signs here are the minus signs. So we have 61 minus 50 minus 10 giving us 60. Therefore, our final answer is 1. Our final answer is 1. So following the order of operation used here, which is PEMDAS, the result for this expression is 1. And this is the correct answer. At this point, you would also be given one more example to write your answer in the comments. So leave your answer in the comments. If this video was very helpful, kindly subscribe, give me a thumbs up,
Subscribe,
and put me
like
on
and share.
post notification anytime I post a new video. Thank you for making math and science a reality. I'm out.